Hi everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I guess you're doing fine. To God be the glory. Let me quickly go down to what we are cooking today. Today we are preparing fried rice. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you guys the ingredients I will be using today. Okay, here I have some of my boiled liver sliced. Then I have my spring onions, my paprika and carrots here. Then I have my peas, my green peas here. I have the green peas here. Then here I have my boiled sweet maize and boiled peas. Then I have my curry powder, salt to taste, ginger and garlic powder, then pepper. Then here I have fried rice spice. The last time I traveled to Nigeria, I got this. I find it and I decided to buy to try it out. So we're gonna see how it turns out, how it's gonna turn out to be. Okay. And here guys, I have my rice. My rice is already tender. What I did was first and foremost I parboiled the rice, then set aside. Then my meat stock, I now turn the parboiled rice into the meat stock and allow it to cook until tender. As you can see, my rice is really ready. It's ready. So I parboiled it first, then turned it into the meat stock and allow it to cook until tender. The rice is already ready. So we're going to go ahead and start cooking our fried rice. So guys, here I have my pot. Let me turn the heat on. So I'm going to be cooking in a medium heat. So I'll go ahead and pour in my olive oil. Not too much. I think that should do. That should do. So I'm gonna let my oil to heat up. I'm gonna allow the oil to heat up for some minutes before we start introducing or adding in the other ingredients. So let's allow the oil to heat. Okay guys, my oil is heated up, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the spring onions, the paprika and the carrots. I'll give it a quick stir. Sorry guys, second, let me bring my camera closer so that you guys can see what we're doing here. I'm going to add the liver. The maize. Guys, look at that. It's looking colorful. I love the colors. So I'm going to go ahead and add in this fried rice spice. I'm going to go ahead and add that. guys, look at that. It has some greenish colors. You see that? So I think at the end of it, all our jollof rice is gonna come out like really lovely color, green. I love the color. So I added 2 packs of that. It also have a very lovely aroma. So guys, I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll be back to see. Okay, this is 3 minutes since we pour in our vegetables. So I'm going to give it a quick stir. At this point, I'm going to start pouring in my rice in batches. I don't want to turn all of it all at once, so I'm going to do it gradually. Guys, look at that. So I'm going to reduce the heat really on a very low heat at this point. Guys, look at that. I like what I'm seeing. So I'm going to test it to see if I still need to add more salt or any of my spice. I'll go ahead and add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of it, not much. That's what I'm using, so I don't overpour my salt. Okay. Oh guys, this is really lovely. Look at that. Let me bring the camera closer so that you can see what it looks like. See that? It really looks nice and very tasty. So at this point, my rice is ready, my jollof rice is ready. It is one of the easiest way of cooking rice. Your fried rice is very easy and fast. So at this point, today's video is going to be really short. It's going to be really short. So my rice is ready. It's ready to serve. Okay guys, here is our food. Let me show you guys again. That is the fried rice. You see, because of the fried rice spice I poured in, you can see from the color it looks a little bit greenish. Look very appetizing. So guys, like usual, you know the way we do it. I'm really hungry. Okay. And I'm gonna be taking one of that. So guys, look at that. So let's quickly take a taste. Come, let's taste, guys. Join me. Guys, when you're preparing your fried rice, make sure you don't overcook your veggies. You don't overcook them. It's just perfect the way it is. Really tasty. And the spice I got from Nigeria, it's really nice. So if you're watching from Nigeria, you're lucky, guys. That spice, try it out with your fried rice. It's really tasty. Okay friends, thanks for cooking with me today. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, what are you waiting for? Do so. If you're coming across my video for the first time, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Remain blessed. Bye bye. Love you guys.